Hai Sobat Soki, welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn about parts of an animal. The animal is turtle. Turtles are animals that live on land or in the water. Let's take a closer look at their body parts. First, we have the turtle's head. The head is where the eyes, mouth, and nose are. The turtle's eyes help it see, and its nose helps it breathe. The mouth is used to eat food. The second one, we have the turtle shell. The shell is like a hard house that protects the turtle. It keeps the turtle safe from animals who might want to hurt it. Turtles can hide inside their shell when they are scared. And then, legs. Turtles have 4 legs. The front legs are called flippers. If the turtle lives in the water, they help the turtle swim. The back legs are called hind legs. They help the turtle walk on land. Behind the turtle, there is a small tail. Turtles have tails, but they don't use them like some animals. It's just a little part of their body. Okay, friends. Now, can you pretend to be a turtle? Show me how you walk like a turtle with your legs. What would you do if you were a turtle in your shell? Okay, friends. Now it's time to do the fun activity. We are going to make dancing caterpillars using pipe cleaner and bowls and also plastic. Have fun and see you next week, friends. Bye-bye.